indigenous tribes, and our king, or Balito. The project aims to address barriers preventing indigenous communities in Mankayan from accessing quality health care. Key goals include empowering indigenous peoples to access healthcare services, fostering collaboration with healthcare providers, and leveraging human resources for emergency medical services, ultimately reducing future intensive care needs. With Mankayan's remote areas facing geographic isolation and limited healthcare staff, Balitok seeks to provide and bridge the gap by enhancing healthcare access and improving health outcomes for indigenous residents.
Congratulations, Mr. and Ms. Mankayan. You are now a certified Benguet Youth Advocates. Now, let us give a round of applause to candidates number 2, Mr. and Ms. La Trinidad. Now, may we have Governor Roger de Clas and Mayor Romeo Salva.
La Trinidad Advocacy Project title, Embracing Our Culture, Co-Creating a Healthier, Inclusive Benguet. This project aims to foster an inclusive environment for persons with disabilities in Benguet by addressing bullying, accessibility barriers, and gaps in education and employment. It proposes solutions such as inclusive education programs, community support groups, and improved accessibility to public spaces. With 10,000 PWDs in Benguet facing discrimination and limited access to resources, this project aims to promote social integration, empower youth, and improve mental health, aligning with the region's inclusive cultural values. La Trinidad Advocacy Project.
Thank you so much, our another batch Benguet Youth Advocates. Now we move to candidates number 3, Mr. and Ms. Itogon. Now may we have Governor Roger de Clas and Mayor Bernard Bongreen.
Itogon Advocacy Project title, To Tell, Not to Be Still. This project in Itogon addresses the pressing issue of violence against women and children by empowering victims to share their stories, raising awareness of rights, gender equality, and fostering support networks. It aims to create safe spaces for healing and dialogue. Relevant to Itogon, which have lousy cases across its 9 barangays, the initiative seeks to break silence, reduce stigma, and promote protection and welfare, ensuring a safer community for women and children.
The proud Benguet Youth Advocates of Itogon. Next up, candidates number 4, Mr. and Ms. Baco. To accompany Governor, we have Mayor Raimundo.
Baco Advocacy Project title, Baco Youth Mental Health Awareness through Cultural Empowerment. This project aims to raise mental health awareness among Baco youth by reintroducing cultural dances and instruments, fostering a sense of identity and community. It seeks to dispel mental health myths, create safe spaces for sharing, and empower participants through cultural heritage, addressing rising mental health issues while preserving Baco's cultural traditions, strengthening both emotional well-being and cultural resilience, ensuring continuity and unity within the indigenous community.
Sashing our Benguet Youth Advocates of Baco, our Board Member Joe Hannes of Wasan and Board Member Marie Rose from One Campus. Let's give them a round of applause.
address mental health challenges, reduce stigma, and promote emotional resilience among Tuba's youth. It also seeks to foster physical fitness, leadership skills, and holistic character development through activities like mental health consultations, fitness boot camps, values formation, and sports clinics. This initiative is crucial for Tuba as it directly addresses the rising mental health issues, especially among the youth, and promotes a healthier, more resilient generation through physical activity and character development.
Please step forward, candidates number 6, the proud Benguet Youth Advocates of Kapampangan, to be sashed by Mayor Manny Fermin and Dr. Melia Razundulan.
Kapampangan Advocacy Project title, Benguet Mo, Benguet Mo. This project aims to address rising mental health issues among Kapampangan's youth by establishing peer support groups, training facilitators in psychosocial support, and promoting mental health awareness. With increasing cases of anxiety, depression, and suicide, the initiative fosters resilience and creates safe spaces for youth. Relevant to Kapampangan, it bridges generational gaps in communication and aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals for well-being and community support.
A big round of applause to the new Benguet Youth Advocates of Kabayan, candidates number 7, to be sashed by Mayor Florante Bancalos Jr. and Miss Jennifer Bahoy.
Kabayan Advocacy Project title, Project Dupo, dedicating oneness and preserving original tapestry. This initiative aims to preserve Kabayan's rich loom weaving heritage by engaging youth through hands-on workshops, cultural education, and awareness campaigns. With only 0.2% of the population practicing weaving, the project addresses the decline of this art form, ensuring its transmission to future generations. Relevant to Kabayan as the seat of Iloy culture, this project fosters cultural identity while promoting the Kabayan Inabel in festivals and events.
Now please step forward, candidates number 8, the loud and proud Benguet Youth Advocates of Kibulan, to be sashed by Vice Mayor Edwin Mitchell and Board Member Mika Kaya.
Kibulan Advocacy Project, ADA, Achieving Dreams with Academic Learning. Project ADA aims to inspire youth in Kibulan to pursue education and to increase student enrollment rates. It seeks to improve accessibility, provide essential school supplies, and create a supportive environment for students, particularly in remote areas. This project addresses educational disparities in Kibulan, where poverty, inaccessible schools, and insufficient resources hinder youth education, aiming to bridge these gaps and foster a culture of learning.
Congratulations, candidates number 9 from the municipality of Ato. You are now a certified Benguet Youth Advocates, to be sashed by Mayor Michael Smith and Board Member Marie Rose from Montepas.
Atok Advocacy Project title, Atok Eskwela, Read, Write, Rise. This project aims to provide reading and writing literacy among elementary and high school students of St. Paul's Academy in Atok through workshops, resources, and tutoring sessions, addressing gaps in proficiency and fostering a love for learning. With literacy impacting grades and motivation, this initiative addresses a critical educational challenge in Atok, empowering students and supporting teachers through innovative and sustainable solutions.
Yes, to our candidates from Sablan, number 10, for being a Benguet Youth Advocates, to be sashed by Mayor Alfredo de Pumas Jr. and Dr. Melia Razundulan.
Sablan Advocacy Project title, Fruity, Fostering Resilient, Unique, and Innovative Traits in Youth. The project aims to empower Sablan's youth by introducing sustainable food processing techniques, fostering entrepreneurship, and reducing agricultural surplus waste, especially for fruits like santol, bananas, and pineapples. This initiative addresses the challenges of agricultural surpluses in Sablan, which results in waste and financial losses. It engages the youth in agricultural entrepreneurship, ensuring economic resilience and sustainability for the municipality's agricultural sector.
Our loud and proud Benguet Youth Advocates of Bukod, to be sashed by Mayor Thomas Wallace Jr. and Miss Lucia Pisi. Our candidates, number 11.
Bukod Advocacy Project title, Kadyo ni Masakbayan, or Nurturing the Future. This advocacy promotes holistic development among children in Bukod by fostering values like respect and self-confidence, promoting hygiene and nutrition, and creating safe, supportive spaces for intellectual and social growth. Parents and teachers are actively involved to ensure a network of support. By focusing on early health and education, the project equips children with lifelong habits and skills, building a foundation for them to become healthy, responsible contributors to their communities.
Move forward and claim your Benguet Youth Advocate sash. Candidates number 12. From Tublay to be sashed by Mayor Armando Lauro and Miss Jennifer Bajo.
Supply Advocacy Project title, Molding Minds, Building Tomorrow's Leaders through Enhancing Indigenous People's Values Education System. The project aims to integrate indigenous people's values into the school curricula to promote mental health, resilience, and leadership qualities among youth. It focuses on mental health awareness, fostering leadership and community service participation. In Tublay, the rising mental health concerns and the need for values-based leadership highlight the importance of this initiative. By strengthening cultural identity and providing tools for leadership, the project equips youth to face modern challenges with resiliency and integrity.
And last but not the least, the last batch of Benguet Youth Advocates, our candidates number 13 from Bugyas. A big round of applause and to be signed by Mayor, Vice Mayor Judy, Focus, and Board Member Mikapay.
Yes, Advocacy Project title, MFB, Mentors and Mental Health Builders, sustaining mental health support in Bugyas High Schools and Benguet State University Bugyas Campus. This initiative aims to establish a sustainable school-based mental health support system by training teachers, staff, and student leaders as facilitators who can identify, support, and refer students with mental health challenges. Mental health issues among Bugyas students are rising, with nearly 30% experiencing recurring anxiety. The MMP project addresses these urgent needs by equipping local schools with the tools to provide lasting, accessible mental health support.